Good morning, everyone. In today's episode, it's going to be more along the lines of like a product review rather than the typical how-to videos that I have on my channel. Today, we're going to focus on restoring the headlight lens here. Has a lot of oxidation and just kind of build up over the years. And I'm not going to necessarily show you step by step instructions, all of that on how to restore the headlights. More than anything, I wanted to highlight the fact that this Turtle Wax headlight lens restorer kit that I bought does the trick. It works. And it was only $12. So I thought right away I wanted to share this on the channel. Hopefully it helps you out. I've already done it on a couple of my cars and I was really impressed with it. I don't know what the lighting, how well you can see the oxidation, but it is pretty bad. So I'm hoping the before and after you can really see the proof that this works. Okay, the first step is we're going to be applying this compound solution. I started to apply a little bit of it, but I thought I'd show you. It's just like, waxing a car. Get a clean cloth, rub it in. I won't show you all of it, but this is what you do. This is the first step. Apply this compound solution. Okay. Okay, the solution's been on here now for a couple of minutes. Again, just like waxing the cars. Get a clean cloth, wipe it off. This is just step one, so if you're like, well, that don't look that great to me, um, I can already see an improvement. But again, what this step does is I think it gets off the majority of kind of the oxidation, and the next step I'll show you gets even does an even better job. Okay, next we're going to use an applicator. One side is a little bit more coarse than the other. We'll go ahead and use this solution next. And I kind of misspoke a second ago. The first step kind of gets off the easy stuff. This, with the applicator, it kind of does a better job of actually getting some of the more stubborn oxidation. There's instructions, some tips that they offer. I'm not going to go into that. You could obviously read that. Once again, the point is just to show you that this works. You just repeat this process. Make sure this stays wet. All right, we're just gonna just start to clean this off. You can tell just by the film that it's already removing a lot of that more stubborn oxidation. I could feel it. It's like a scouring pad, very fine grit. And then you're actually gonna just repeat this process a second time. You can't see, in fact, oddly enough, it seems like it's worse than when I use the compound solution, but I could feel how smooth this is. And then I'll show you the final step. But I'm gonna actually repeat what I just did. All right, last step is we're now reapplying the compound that we applied at the very beginning. Same process. All right, now we're just gonna wipe off the solution. Like most things on video, I don't know, with the lighting and everything, it may not look as nice as what I can see. Um, it is a huge improvement though. In fact, if you want, you could kind of compare the two. This one, finished product, versus the other headlight now. Even if you step back a little bit, you might be able to see the two. So I hope you're able to notice the difference. Again, for $12, I highly recommend it. It's a big improvement, and if you're looking to restore your headlights, give that product a try. Take care.